Okay, guys, Mr. Gibson. In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the volume of prisms. Okay, volume of prism is measured by taking the area of its base times its height. Okay, and prisms are just figures with a base and a height, a base of some sort of shape, like a triangle or a square or a rectangle or some other shape attached to the same shape, equal shape on the side, and a height that connects them. So our example here has a triangle and another triangle attached to each other. Okay, and if we are trying to find this volume, we're going to use the area of the base, which is the triangle, times the height. Okay, and an area of a triangle is 1/2 base times, we'll just call it width. Okay, same thing as height, times whatever the height is. Okay, so let's talk about what all these are in this problem. So we have 3 yards right here. This would be kind of our width of our triangle, or the height of our triangle, if we were just finding the area. And then this, we call this the base of 4 yards. Okay. And then the height we're talking about is this connector right here, this 1 yard. Okay, so what we have here is V equals 1/2, H there, okay, base, which is 4, times the width here of 3, times the height, which is 1. So that's going to equal 2 times 3 times 1. 1/2 times 4 is 2, and that equals 6. Okay. The measurement is in yards, and as we've talked about already, the volume is always measured in the cube of whatever your units is. So this will be yards cubed. So our answer here is 6 yards cubed. Okay. Now, let's look at this figure right here. Now, this is a little harder because we're not used to a figure like this. This is called a hexagon, okay, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, okay? But the formula is the same, you guys. We're going to find the volume by taking the area of the base times the height of this prism, okay? Now, you guys are like, well, I don't know what the area of the base would be because I don't know the area of a hexagon is, so I'll give you this formula right here. Area of a hexagon is 3 times the square root of 3 over 2 times the side squared. Okay, so these sides are all equal and these sides equal 8. So 8 is S, okay, and then of course H is the height that connects the two bases. So we have 12 yards as our height, so put an H there. Okay, so we've got everything we need to plug into this, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. I'm going to have 3 square root of 3 over 2 times 8 squared times 12. Okay, and what we may want to do, we might want to just multiply some of this stuff together, keep this square root, but if you don't want to do that and you just want to throw it into your calculator, that's fine too. So let's go ahead and do that. So alpha y equals enter 3 square root of 3 over 2 times 8 squared times 12. Okay. So yeah, we've got the volume here is 1,995.32. The units are yards, and of course we found the volume, so it'd be yards cubed. Okay, so that's how you can find the area of prisms. Okay, and again, it just depends on what whatever the shape of your base is. So in this case, you had a hexagon, so I had this special formula for you guys to use for hexagons. Again, look at the notes on the next page and do the assignments once you're done with that. All right, thanks. points.